Good morning one and all. It is Saturday morning. It must be the 12th. Got Sooty down here with me and Snoop's over in the doorway. I'm just going to hang my washing out. I'm a little bit late. Wasn't a good night last night. Or morning. I could say it wasn't a good morning. I woke up about 4:30 in the morning. Cough, cough, cough. I could not stop coughing. So I got up, went to the bathroom, went back to bed. Still couldn't stop coughing. So by about 5:30 I was in the shower. It's the only way I could get any relief because I was just so clogged up and congested. I just couldn't stop coughing. So I had a long shower. I was probably in the shower nearly an hour. The steam really helps clear me. So I did that. Then I came downstairs. I had some hot cross buns and a cup of coffee. Laid on the sofa in the front room. Went to sleep. Sun had come. I had opened the curtains when I'd gone in the front room. And then when I woke up, the sun was coming through the window all on me. Snoop was on the sofa by my feet. Sooty was in the doggy day room. And I was just gone. But I've still got an annoying cough, guys. If this doesn't clear up, I've only got today and tomorrow's worth of medication. I can't see it's going to clear it up. I know. I'm going to have to go back and see my GP again and see if they can do something else. So, yeah, what a pain. Right, it's washing time. This I did yesterday, or last night, so I could hang it online first thing this morning. Not that it's first thing anymore, guys. It's nearly 9 o'clock, so there we go. How's that? That's better. Right, let's get this out. Right, that's that one. I'm going to put the doggy's bedding in there now. Get that going. Not that one. Don't want that one. Right, that's the doggy's bedding in, guys. 1, 2, 3. Go. Right, wash machine's on. If I put my selfie stick in the laundry basket, guys, I can take you up the garden with me. Like that. Here we go. How's that? Is that okay? Right, go on then. Go on then, guys. You're going up the garden. Go on in. Go on. Right, the boys are out. Don't stop in front of me because I can't see you. Go on then, off you go. Oh, go on, off you go, Snoop. I did leave the washing line up yesterday. Or should I say it was up. I just tightened it. It was getting a bit saggy. Right, I'll put the washing basket on the patio table. And I can carry that up the garden. It's only one of those plastic tables, guys. And I can start hanging my washing up. See the sun up behind me. Right, here we go. Oh, see the beautiful blue sky. Right. If I take the selfie stick out of there, guys. Stand up here. Oh, I'm puffing and panting, guys, and I haven't gone anywhere yet. It's a bit like having an asthma attack. Just can't breathe, guys. I'm very short of breath. There you go. How's that? That bed, is that going to stay there? Slowly going down. Right, most of this is my works clothing. I need the pegs now, guys. Hang on a second. Hadn't thought this one through, had I? Snoop's up the garden. I can't see. Oh, Sooty's down by the back door. Snoop's up here with me. Snoop's just behind me there, look. Oh. Garden looks quite nice still, but I wouldn't mind giving it another cut today if I get a chance. Right, if I put the selfie stick there you go, guys. How's that? Oh, it's hot in the sunshine. That's cold in the shade. Right, this is all mainly my works clothing, like trousers, t-shirt, sweatshirt, socks and pants, that sort of thing, guys. Don't know if you can hear all the birds. Pigeons. Pigeons is the majority of it. Right, I was supposed to go and have my nails done this morning, only the people doing the nails phoned or sent me a message last night saying that it was gel nails I'd got and that I wanted sorting out, wasn't it? And I sent a message back, I said no, it's acrylics. It's acrylic nails. And then they messaged back last night saying, well, we don't do acrylic nails. So I've now got to try and find somebody to do my nails. So I went to my original nail parlour, went on their site. They're booked up for 2 weeks, guys. So I'm thinking, oh my goodness. So I've got to see if I can find an alternative. So I'm going to have a look today, see if I can find anybody who can do it any quicker than that. Problem is I can only get my nails done on Saturdays because that's the only day I'm actually here at home. Most places don't open Sundays. Right, if I move the selfie stick over here, I'll do all the little bits. I keep finding long April hairs everywhere. Just got to move the table a little bit, guys. I just hold the camera so I don't knock it over. There we go, it's a bit better. All right, let me do this other pair of trousers. Where's my washing? There it is. Right, I also got a call this morning, or message, from my younger sister saying she's off tomorrow. First Sunday she's had off in forever. She said, do you fancy going for a dog walk? So I've messaged her back saying yes, but I haven't had another message back from her yet. So that'd be lovely to meet up with my younger sister. I did see my older sister about a week ago. She came up here to see me. And we just had a chat. It wasn't for a walk, it was just a sit-down chat. And that was lovely. So, yes, I might see my younger sister tomorrow. My younger sister is having a lot of, she's got a lot of holidays lined up. So, she's going to be going, her and her hubby are going away for a week. And then shortly after that, she's off to, where's she off to? Canada. She's got her youngest son lives in Canada. And his wife or girlfriend, they're not married yet, she's just had their first child. So that'd be lovely if she can get, she's going over there for 2 weeks. So that'd be really, really nice for her. And that one. Right. There we go, guys. Right, that'll do for the moment. I'll leave the pegs up here. I'll bring the laundry basket in for the dog's blankets when they're done. But me and the boys have got to go out for a W. Oh, yeah, Snoop, are you going to come in? Come on in. So Snoop's with me. He's just beside me. Go on in, Snoop. Off you go. Go on in. Good boy. Oh. There goes Sooty. Sooty's... There he is. He's jumping up and down. He knows we're going to be going out. Go on in. Right, we're in. Right, washing machine's on. I'll put the laundry basket there. That's it. We're done for the moment. The next ones that have got to go in is the dog's vet beds. These things. So I'll put those there, ready. And let me shut the back door then, guys. Me and the boys are going to go out the front door. We're going to go for a walk, guys. Right, let's go. Keys are out. That's it. Right, go on in, off you go. Right, guys, I'm going to sign out. Get the boys ready, and we're going to be shooting off, so I shall speak to you guys later. Okay, bye-bye.